Well, it's not exactly. I have already opened this package because I didn't know what it was. I thought this is far too small from what I expected, and it does say what it is. I didn't really read the label. Quite often when they do this is for customs. When they do these labels, they do the wrong things anyway, but it says power converter, and that's what it is. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Let me see what size this box is to give you an idea. So that is, the box is 90 millimeters by 65 millimeters. By 40 millimeters. If you hear a noise in the background, that's my 3D printer printing away. Thanks. So quite a nice box. And this is the, nothing else in the box, no. This is the power supply. Plenty of ventilation falls in, quite strong, yes. Caution, high voltage, like a warranty sticker on the outside. So 5 volts 6 amps is what it says. I expect it to be that. Feels a bit like aluminium on the bottom, so that might be for, that curves around up there, so that might be for some heat dissipation. These are the terminals, mains, input. Only one output, and a voltage adjustment if the voltage is slightly wrong. I've never known a voltage to be slightly wrong. A bit of a plastic sort of coating stuff on here. I'll get that off later. That's like try and show you inside as much as I can without dismantling it. There's the terminals. Looks well made. This is for my 3D printer. I have some 5 volt. I have a servo, the BL Touch, filament run out sensor, and a camera, security camera, all running off 5 volt boost converters, well buck converters really. That's to turn down 12 volts to 5 volts. But I found sometimes that the camera seems to be going offline and I just do not think there's enough amperage. So I've bought a separate power supply. There's already 2 power supplies in. A 24 volt for the heat bed and a 12 volt for the ramps. Basically, and the actual 3D printer, you might be able to see through the holes some of the components. Looks like a sort of transformer voltage step up step down converter. Sometimes units will step up the voltage then step them back down. Yep, looks well made. Don't forget it does have open terminals though, so you're going to have to be careful if you're putting it in anywhere.